Brace yourselves, car lovers. We're diving into the petrol versus diesel debate. Ready? Let's go. First up, petrol engines. They're lighter, quieter, and give you that smooth drive. Perfect for city driving and short trips. Plus, they pump out less nitrogen oxide, good for the environment. Now let's talk diesel. Diesel engines are powerhouses. They generate more torque, which means better pulling power. Great for long drives and heavy loads. And hey, they usually give you better fuel economy too, but there's a catch. Diesel cars can be pricier up front. And they need more maintenance with those tricky filters and emissions checks. So, what's the verdict? If you love smooth city rides, go for petrol. If you're all about power and long road trips, diesel's your friend. Remember, it's all about what suits your driving style. Choose wisely and happy driving. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car facts. Catch you in the next one.